Hi, M6006. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Michelle C. Magtango. I live in Kalingatan, Mataas na Kahoy, Batangas. My 2 kids, 1 girl and 1 boy. Single mother and live-in partner. I'm 43 years old. I'm Roman Catholic. I'm high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experience.
My experience is general cleaning, ironing, clothing, cooking, cleaning, marketing,
Okay.
and take care of babe, take care of children.
Okay, how old children you take care?
5 years old.
5 years old or three?
Yes, 5.
5 years old. Okay, since you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, but my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have an idea how to prepare a meal for a newborn?
Ah,
You have an idea how to
yes.
prepare a meal?
First, I will wash my hand, and then sterilize my butter, and
Okay, so you know how to prepare a meal for a
yes.
newborn. Okay, if the newborn is crying, what will you do?
Maybe it's temperature. Um, full feeding,
Okay, feed the baby.
feed the baby.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you could, what will you do?
May call na my employer.
Okay, what will you say to the employer?
Because my baby no stop crying.
Okay, not stop crying.
Yes.
Okay. um, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong safe place in high salary.
How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Okay, and if your employer wants you to stay longer, it is okay with you?
Yes.
Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I'm willing to learn
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
to cook YouTube in books.
Okay, you will watch on YouTube.
Yes.
Okay, if your employer prepared food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
I'm trying.
Okay, it is okay to you to eat.
Yes.
Okay, it is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share jobs with a helper.
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids? It is okay with you to share room with kids?
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer?
Yes.
If your employers have pets on their house, it is okay to you to take care of them?
Yes.
It is okay to you to taking care of elderly?
Yes.
Okay. If your employer or one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
My message is future employer, please hire me because I'm honest, trustworthy, and hardworking. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Michelle. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.